Introducing the Dr. Infrared Heater Portable Space Heater, a revolutionary heating solution designed to keep you warm and cozy during the colder months. With its advanced dual heating system, energy-saving features, and top-notch safety measures, this portable heater offers efficient and quiet heating for large rooms. In this review, we'll dive into the details of what makes this heater a standout choice for your home or office heating needs. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Advanced Dual Heating System. This heater is a game changer when it comes to portable space heaters. It employs a cutting-edge dual heating system, combining an infrared quartz tube with PTC technology. This unique combination delivers 60% more heat than conventional heaters, boasting a rated output of around 5,200 BTU. This means it can efficiently heat even large rooms, making it a versatile choice. Number 2. Safety first. Safety is paramount, and this heater doesn't compromise in this aspect. It is certified by Underwriters Laboratories, UL, in the USA and Canada, meeting the highest safety standards. The heater remains safe to touch, making it suitable for households with children and pets. It's also equipped with tip-over protection and an overheat protection feature, ensuring peace of mind during use. Number 3. Energy efficiency and savings. One of the standout features is the energy-saving auto mode. When set to auto, the heater intelligently cycles on and off, switching between high and low settings to maintain your desired temperature. This not only keeps you comfortable, but also helps reduce heating bills. By heating objects in the room rather than just the air, Dr. Infrared Heater maximizes energy efficiency, potentially saving up to 50% on electricity bills compared to traditional heating methods. Number 4. Quiet and effective heating. This heater boasts a high-pressure, low-noise blower with a noise level as low as 39 decibels. This super quiet operation ensures minimal disruption while effectively distributing warmth throughout the room. Say goodbye to loud and intrusive heaters. Number 5. User-friendly controls. Controlling this heater is a breeze with the included IR remote control. You can adjust the temperature within a range of 50 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit. Additionally, the heater offers 3 power settings: auto, low, 1000 watts, and high, 1500 watts. You also have the option to set a 12-hour automatic shutoff timer for added convenience. Number 6. Portability and easy maintenance. Weighing 24 pounds and equipped with caster wheels, this heater is highly portable and can be moved around effortlessly. Its lifetime filter ensures that the air remains clean and dust-free, and the 72-inch long power cord provides flexibility in placement. Number 7. Efficient heat transfer. This heater utilizes a state-of-the-art 7-inch blower that generates higher pressure, moving a larger volume of air at a lower speed. This design minimizes noise while ensuring even heat distribution, eliminating hot spots and cold spots in the room. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 13 inches depth by 12.5 inches width by 17 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Pros and cons. 4 reasons to buy. Advanced dual heating system for efficient warmth. Energy-saving auto mode to reduce heating costs. High and low settings for customizable comfort. Safety features like tip-over and overheat protection. 1 reason not to buy. The heater needs to be manually turned on before using the remote control. Conclusion. The Dr. Infrared Heater stands out as an exceptional choice for heating your space efficiently and comfortably. With its advanced heating system, safety features, energy-saving mode, and quiet operation, it offers a well-rounded heating solution for homes and offices. Plus, it comes with a generous 3-year warranty, providing added peace of mind. Say goodbye to chilly winters and high heating bills with this heater. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.